Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. We are at a new location with two new people. Let me show you. First I have Yari and
Hi.
Eunice. And we are at a new location and we're gonna show you inside. Let me show you guys. First turn on the light. Ta-da! So we have a lot of tools here to work on cars and a lot of space. As you can see, a BMW E46 here. Let's turn on the other lights, which is also standing here for multiple years. We also have a quick lift to put your car on, which is very handy because you don't have to use jacks. You also have Brahms motorcycles, BMW, and everything else. So let me show you upstairs, because the man cave is upstairs. First we have to go on the staircase. So right here we have our chill spot. We can sit here, watch a movie on the projector, which we have already done, and it's very nice. Right here is the DJ stand. You can play some music here. There are also very large speakers and audio and visuals, and you have a beautiful look at cars from here. So here's the chill spot also, with it's like 4, I think, 3 beers deep. We have a pool table, which is very nice, and a dartboard, which is also very good and fun, and the bar, of course. And that's it for the most of it. Pretty cool place. It is from Bram. You will probably see him in this or another video. But yeah, that was pretty much it.
So guys, the reason we are here today is to clean up all this stuff to put my E36 convertible here. This car is from David, another one of our friends. He's a detailer, and this is a kind of a test car, but he's not really here that often. But yeah, we have a lot of work to do. Some of these panels will be used here to make a paint booth, so that will be very nice. But yeah, we'll have a lot of work, and we'll see you when it's done. So, as you can see, most of the soft plates are gone. Now there's only the ones with the metal. These will be used to make the paint booth. So, yeah, let's continue the time lapse.
Coming down.
So guys, we have a barn find here. AKA this is a Frees car. This is a S13 240 SX with a rocket bunny, I think. It's very dirty at the moment, but he's making a new battery tray to keep the battery from flying around when he's driving. And then we have the RX-7 from Ram, which also needs a lot of work. But yeah, it's also dirty, as you can see. But yeah, he imported it from Japan about 5 years ago now.
Something like that.
So yeah. And then we will go to the project car from Yari in a moment here.
So this is the Mazda MX-5. It's my personal project. As you can see, there is still a lot of work to do, but all the parts are over there stored. So it's gonna be a fun project to work on. The back of the car is still okay. It's just the front and the engine that has to be rebuilt, but that's for another video.
Okay, so we've cleared everything. Everything is there, and we put some things over there. So now we're gonna take this with the tractor that Bram is getting, and we're gonna make walls so we can use this as a paint booth. So yeah, back to the time lapse. So we're 2 days later. The GoPro died, but it was getting pretty late anyway, so we just cleaned up and went home. What we're going to do today is we're gonna get another plate like that one in between here, and we're gonna get to cutting it.
So as you can see, it's in. It's secured with these iron things. It's a little late. We didn't do that much today, but we'll knock out 2 more there. They're pretty easy to do. we only got to placing one more because we had a little bit of this difficulty with the gap in between, and it's getting pretty late. It's almost 11 o'clock, so we have to be quiet and yeah.
We're almost finished, so we got 5 walls in total. Just need to have this last part in, and then we will be done. Of course, we still need to finish this side, but that will be for another day.